April 2011, I had two major challenges. We just had the Japan tsunami in March, and it affected our business and the travel agency business as well. And I had a lot of staffing issues. I was looking for someone who can help me to address these challenges. And I consulted SNEF, and they introduced iGROW to us.
Year in, year out, we are running out of programs to organize. Organizing not easy, so that's why we thought when iGROW came along, work with the WHP, we felt that there we have this team who are professionals, and why not we strike up a relationship.
We decided to embark on this workplace health program in order to promote greater staff engagement as well as to promote staff retention.
I think this workplace health program is very good. One of the benefits that I see is the numbers of MCs that my employees take is lower compared to previous one.
We have a HR and training program that is crafted by iGROW. We work on the physical wellness of our staff as well as the mental wellness of staff. The people are more lively when they pick up the phone. They work together to address common issues, and they are able to come up with solutions by themselves.
After we have started the workplace health program, I noticed that our employees are more aware of the concept of mental health, physical health, and nutrition value. So there's an increase in the overall work-life balance of the employees.
The mindset has changed, and then motivation-wise, I would say there is some marked improvement in motivation, and then for some of them, I believe their health has improved also.
On the whole, if I summarize the benefits that Abacus Travel has received from the iGROW program, I would say that first, as a GM, I'm more confident in my role. I have staff who are very supportive of me. They are very committed in their work, and we all know where we are going, how we are going to go about it, and we know how to work towards it. Thank you.